Gray, what are you doing?
Once I looked at it, I thought it looked funny. I don't know why, but...
Oh, I better pick it up before I eat it. Pull it out.
I'm done with that. I don't need that anymore.
Thank you. What do you do?
He just flung it. He had it and was playing with it. He's like, I'm done.
Oh, buddy.
It's so fun, though, huh?
Oh, it's right there.
Sanitize any of it, but...
Oh, it all ended up on the floor.
There
Quite
it
a
is.
collection. Thank you.